Hey, it's Matthew Hartman. I'm going to show you guys how to create the Elegoo Super Starter Kit for Uno, lesson 4, which is the red, green, blue LED lesson. And the things you're going to need for that is first you're going to need your wires here. You're going to have your red, your green, and your blue. And you're also going to have your ground wire. And then of course you need your breadboard and your R3 kit. And then you also need here are 3 220 ohm resistors. That way you won't blow out the bulb. And then this is your red, your green, and your blue LED light. And the reason that there's 4 prongs on here is just because that longest one there, second from the bottom, is your cathode. The way that works is that's your negative charge to the bulb. And that's what you're going to end up hooking your ground wire up to. And just to make things go a little faster, I already have this set up for the most part. But what you can do is if you go to the Elegoo website, you can pull up their PDF file, and this has all the drawings for all the lessons you need, and it's step by step, pretty straightforward. And if you look here, you can see that the LED goes right between the 40 and 50 mark on the breadboard, and then on here it does as well. You just want to make sure that is lined up in the right spot, otherwise you're going to have trouble getting it to work right. So there we go. And once you get that all set up, it's pretty straightforward. You just want to take your blue wire, and that's going to go here on my left, and you just want to make sure it is in the hole right behind your first resistor. And then on the R3, it's going to plug into this slot here marked number 3. Next you're going to take your green wire and put that next to the second resistor, and that is actually going to go into number 5. And next we're going to take our ground wire here, and this is where you want to look. I'm going to actually take this resistor out because this ground wire is going to go between your first 2 resistors and your third. And I'm not going to plug that one in yet, just because we don't want to overload the LED light. And so you're going to plug your red wire there into 6. So you've got it into 3, 5, and 6. Your ground wire here is going to end up going into the ground. And then if we pull up the files here, and then go to the Elegoo zip file, and then if you go under English, look under your code file, it's going to be right here, lesson 4. You can just keep pulling that up. And then this should have all your codes pulled up for you. So what we'll do now, we're going to go ahead and plug this into the ground, and then normally it'll hit upload and then verify, but I already did that to make sure it works. And then this is what you're going to get. You're going to see how it's going to fade colors and go from your red, your green, to your blue, and you can actually program it to go in different colors too, like yellow, and you can stay there longer for that too.